Around this time every year, serious GATE CSE aspirants stop asking what is the syllabus and start asking a more important question. What kind of questions are actually being asked now? Not in theory, but in terms of thinking, decision making, and assessment style. This series is created exactly for that purpose. Over the years, one thing has become very clear about GATE CSE: the exam does not change randomly every year. Questions may look new, numbers may change, diagrams may change, but the way understanding is tested follows a clear pattern. If you prepare without understanding that pattern, you often prepare more, but prepare inefficiently. In recent cycles, GATE CSE has steadily moved away from direct formula usage, lengthy calculations, and memory-based questions. Instead, the focus is clearly on decision-making over computation, definition-level clarity, boundary and edge cases, and questions where most options look correct, but only one truly satisfies the condition. This reflects a deliberate assessment philosophy, not a coincidence. What is special about the current pattern? What makes the current pattern distinct is this: difficulty is no longer in solving. Difficulty is in choosing correctly. Many questions today are designed such that the calculation is easy, the concept is familiar, but a small hidden condition changes the answer completely. These questions expose shallow understanding very quickly. This series is not about predicting exact questions. It is about identifying high-probability concept areas, repeating question skeletons, and the type of thinking expected across subjects. For every subject, we will dissect patterns, understand how questions are framed, and solve expected question samples designed strictly at GATE standard. These are practice questions created to train your exam thinking, not copied, not recycled, and not memorization based. One important thing to keep in mind: if you are able to correctly answer most of the sample questions discussed in this series, then you are on the right path in your GATE preparation. Not because the questions are predictions, but because they reflect the level of understanding and precision that the exam now expects. How this helps you practically: if you prepare everything equally, you waste time. If you prepare with awareness of what is repeatedly tested, how traps are designed, and where conceptual mistakes usually occur, you gain a real exam advantage, even with the same syllabus. We will take this series subject by subject, starting with areas that show the strongest pattern stability. In each subject, we will answer: 1. What concepts are tested most often? 2. In what form questions are asked? 3. What kind of mistakes students repeatedly make? GATE does not reward guessing. It rewards clear thinking under pressure. In the next video, we will begin with the first subject and see how these patterns appear in real questions. Let's prepare with clarity. Disclaimer: all analysis in this series is based entirely on previous GATE question papers and publicly available academic trends. Everything discussed is only an indication, high probability, not a guarantee. The objective is not shortcuts, but directional preparation, focusing on how questions test understanding, not just what topics exist. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.